Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. We're going to keep the intro short today because Apple just finished their Worldwide Developers Conference event and we want to jump straight into it. First off, Apple is looking to improve their Facetime feature with spatial audio, which basically means the audio will be based on where you're looking. For example, if you're leaning to the left, it'll be more prevalent on your left side. With this, they're also adding voice isolation, which is supposed to suppress any background noise to allow your voice to be clearer. They're also adding grid view, so when there's multiple people in the FaceTime call, you can see all the participants. But what if my friends or family members don't have an Apple product? Well, fear not, cause now they can join in with FaceTime links, which will take them to a browser window and join in on the FaceTime call. Yes, this works for both Android and Windows devices. Besides just having your peasant Android and Windows friends and family on FaceTime, you can now share your screen on FaceTime, and while screen sharing, you have easy access to the media controls for FaceTime like mute, hang up, and etc. And according to Apple, you can broadcast your screen share to your Apple TV, so you're not stuck holding your phone 24/7. They are also releasing the brand new Share Play API, which allows other apps to use the FaceTime feature. On the topic of improvements, the Messenger app on iPhone isn't getting left out on any of those, as they're changing the way the Messenger app handles media. Apple is now taking a similar approach to WhatsApp, where they bunch up photos and allows you to group them with ease. Not just photos, they also allow you to send news articles and song playlists seamlessly, which will appear in corresponding apps. They will even credit the person who sent you the article, and you can even reply to them continuing the conversation with the article attached. You can even pin important articles which you might want to read later. Now onto the notifications feature. God, I swear most of the event was on how they're going to improve their features only. But nevertheless, the notifications for your Apple devices are getting summarized with better icons and pictures. More detailed description on what the notification is about, and they can be personalized in the order of which you set them to be, so hey, that's nice. The next one's groundbreaking. Have you ever felt sick and tired of getting bombarded with notifications? Especially when you're busy doing something else on your phone? Well, good news! With the latest software design technology from 2014, Apple has finally implemented the all-new Do Not Disturb mode. Turning on D&D mode hides these notifications until it is turned off again, saving you the headache from that idiot that just won't leave you alone. Now in all seriousness, there are a few unique features exclusive to Apple's version of Do Not Disturb mode. One of which is that the feature will let people know that you're currently in D&D mode when they send you messages. On top of that, if you wanted a good middle ground where you're only interested in receiving certain notifications on your phone, then they have a new focus feature which allows only certain apps or people to pop up in your notifications list. Focus mode also allows you to set specific notification settings based on the time and place of your device. For example, you can specify your device to automatically block all notifications coming from Facebook when you're at your workplace during the day, and automatically allow all notifications as soon as you get home at night. These settings will be synchronized across all your Apple devices as well, which saves you the trouble of repeating the same setting process if you have multiple Apple devices. Next, they presented a scan feature into their cameras called Live Text. It's fairly straightforward. Just point your camera at anything with words, and the text can be copied straight into your clipboard. For now, it can read up to 7 languages, and works across all the Apple products and systems. It can even detect words on screenshots and websites. In Apple's showcase, they show that you can even search the words online directly from the photos. Now for this segment of the video, I would like to include some small features which aren't really big enough for their own segment, but are also notable enough to be mentioned. A new feature called Spotlight allows you to track what interaction you had with people in your contact list, messages, shared documents, and etc. For people in the US, the Wallet app will allow you to keep your ID and driver's license in your phone. The Weather app is getting some UI and graphic improvements and will update the weather based on the location's weather conditions. Improvements are also being made to the AirPods software called Conversation Boost, which focuses on the conversation towards the people you are looking at. Keep in mind, however, that they only mentioned AirPods Pro, so we don't know if this feature is exclusive to the Pro version only. Finally, the Find My iPhone app will also keep track if you have left your AirPods somewhere with a notification and allows you to find them using the app. With all of that covered, let us move on to iPadOS. Now with the iPad, they added the app library, widgets, and the ability to hide some page tabs. This update is also said to bring some PC-like features to the iPad for enhanced multitasking, like adding split view or split screen, an Alt Tab-like feature called the bar, and a feature called Quick Notes similar to sticky notes. On that topic, the Share Note feature now has mentions, so you can mention a specific person in tags for more organization. Another feature coming to the iPad is Translate, which allows a user to translate foreign languages via speech, writing, and even pictures. Apple has also said that they will be adding the ability to create apps using the iPad with a feature called Swift Playgrounds, and yes, it's fully compatible with the Mac as well. The final feature coming to iPad would be Universal Control. Long story short, IoT allows a person to use their iPad as a secondary display screen of a Mac. So let's say your drawing is on a Mac, but you wanted to make further improvements on that drawing on an iPad. You can now easily transfer it over seamlessly, similar to a multi-screen monitor setup. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. Like the video if you enjoyed it or found it informative. Be sure to subscribe because it's free and it helps support us in what we do. Leave a comment on what you're looking forward to from this Apple event and what we can improve in our videos. Take care and we will talk to you next time.